Lovely weather for it. This is what we've got today. Really, really mossy paths. Have to clean all this moss. The issue what we have got though, there's not much drainage. So what we're finding is we're gonna have to see if there's a drain. We'll have to see if we can get it, if there's something down here, because we're filling up there. Fill up there, there's no drains in here, and then if we come outside, then got a big puddle, which is a bit of a nightmare for us. And then obviously we've got all this to do as well. So beautiful weather for it. Absolutely last now. Better die down to tackle it. Hopefully we can get it finished. We're also doing this little patio area as well. So should be a good one. Now the issue we've got on this job is there's no drainage close.
So we're getting big massive puddles here. I've just sucked this up now,
But that was quite high up. And what happens, it's just, you can see the leans down, and we just get a pilot of water here. So what we've had to deploy is the beast. That. So what we're gonna do, suck the water up from there, what runs down, and then we'll drop it down this manhole, which the neighbour has happily agreed to allow us to use. But also, we've got another one up here where water is just, let me turn it. As you can see, we're getting a big puddle there. There's a little soakaway, which is running down, but it's not ideal. It's a bit of a nightmare. Probably one of the worst drainage jobs I've done so far, but I'm sure we'll manage. So we just got to manage the customers' expectations, and then yeah, let's see how we get on. I think we finally found a drain. Oh, there we go, that's what we're after. This was absolutely covered. Absolutely covered. So now we've got the drain from here, from there. So now where we're doing the dry, this puddle coming down and we're flowing lovely through there. Fantastic. That means the big boy can go back home. We can put this mean machine back to bed. All done. However, what I don't like about compact concrete, it never comes up beautiful because it's compact concrete. However, when it's compact concrete, you can just, as long as you give it a clean and you've got all the moss off, that's the best you can get. Like, look at all the different colours. There's just nothing you can do with it really. But huge difference, especially down this area. This area was absolutely caked We did find a drain in the end, so we found a drain. But this area, you can see, completely different area. So that's come out really nice. And then this area again, drainage was a nightmare, but it's come out a lot better than what it was. I think the guys, I'm just looking to rent it. This is still my OCD's going crazy, but the different colour. It looks like we've not cleaned that, but we have. It's just a different compact concrete. The mix, that's all it is. And Rye's just cleaning up there, and then look at the patio. The patio has come out beautiful, which is really nice.